Hey guys, so hopefully you have read through the assignment sheet for Major Writing Assignment 1. That way you have a little bit of idea in mind of, well, what we are going to be focusing on as we walk through this information. Now, when it comes to academic writing, remember there are 6 writing expectations that you must meet in every single writing you do in academia. And within those academic writing expectations, there are certain academic genres in which you might be required to write. And this time around, our academic genre is going to be expository exemplification. Now, I don't want you to be intimidated by those words because they're really not that complicated. Let's see, expository, what might that sound like? Maybe the word expose. So expository simply means to expose. In fact, when writing, what we're going to expose is what it is. Or in the case of Major Writing Assignment 1, who do you admire the most? Now, that's easy. You could just tell me and be done with it. So how are we going to get 2 to 3 pages? This second half, the exemplification. Now, if you break down this word, exemplification, you might think of exemplify. Yes, that's exactly what it is. Exemplify is going to be explaining why. Now, if exemplify is still a word you're not as familiar with, think about it as explain or even examples. So when it comes to this essay, writing an expository exemplification, you are going to be telling me who and why. Who do you admire the most? Why do you admire them the most? Now, this reason why can be listed as reasons why, maybe examples why, hey, maybe you explain what you meant earlier, but when it comes to writing this essay, what you're going to be doing is simple. Who do you admire the most? Why do you admire them the most? That's all. However, writing 2 to 3 pages can be a little difficult. Some of us might be thinking, I can do this in 2 to 3 sentences. That's where this first module is going to help you because you're going to need to go in depth with your understanding of why. So make sure you understand this genre, rewatch the video, but get forward to really exploring who